Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Fred from Lachance group. Today I would like to introduce you our product Prolong Bile Acids. As we all know, bile acids have main functions to protect animal liver health and promote fat digestion and absorption, save your feed cost. And the Lachance Group is the leading manufacturer of the functional feed additive bile acid in the world. And the main product it is Prolong Bile Acids. Here is our contact information. If you are introduced you more information, can contact me anytime. Prolong is its bile acids premixed and with main ingredients of bile with multi-biological activities in the animal bodies. So it has two main functions. The first one, it is protect the animal liver health as a liver protector. The second one, it is fat digestion and absorption as a liver energy promoter. I will introduce you later. This is our package of Prolong Bile Acids. Why we are necessary using Prolong in our feed? For the young animals, we all know it is a major functions of liver and have limited bile secretion, very lowering fat utilization. And for the adult animals, we all know in the modern breeding industry, high fat, high energy added in the feed, and conventional materials used in the feed. So with the adult animals, inadequate bile secretion to waste feed, and also bringing very heavy burden to the liver. Also, we always talk about the mycotoxin problems and heavy metals in the animals, which do great harm to the livers and the intestines, reduce the utilization of feed and damage the liver functions. So here today, I mainly introduce you about as a liver protector, the bile acid can solve the fatty liver problems and solve the detoxification and promote biosecretion. Bile acid can solve the fatty liver problems because the bile acid combine the compound of a very low density lipoprotein, promote the fat deposit and translate the fat out of the liver. Also, the toxins, the bile acid can combine with the toxins in the liver and bring the toxins out of the livers. For the biosecretion, promote the biosecretion with bile acid and release the overload burden of the liver. So this side it can be as a liver protector. Also, I will introduce you about the why for the liver cells how bile acid can protect the liver cells. So you can see in the left side it is a control group, and in the right side it is a test group. You can see here the E cells, B cells. Here the liver cells is not clear. You can see it's the liver cells is already damaged. But you can see here this is the liver B cells, E cells, R cells. It's very strong with the liver cells. So we all know that the B cell it is for the figuration cells, and the R cell it is for the absorption, and the E cell for the embryonic cells. And also in the group, the cells wall is already damaged in the control group. But also in the right side with bile acid in the test group, the liver cells with the B cell, E cell, R cell, and very complete, and the more B cells and R cells. They are very strong and very strong health the liver cells. So this is the liver protector. And also in the left company part, I will introduce you about as an energy promoter. After the feed intake, the bile acid takes 4 whole part in the fat digestion, emulsification, digestion, and absorption. You can see here, after feed intake, bile acid can emulsify the fat into small droplets to take the emulsification steps. And also, after the fat emulsified, and bile acid active lipids for hydrolyzation. Bile acid in this part can take part of the digestion. And also, the last but not least is bile acid take the fat absorption. We know that for the short chain fatty acid can be directly absorbed, but long chain fatty acid only combine with the bile acid can access into intestine bloodstream. So added in the reunion bile acid in the feed take the whole part in feed digestion, emulsification, digestion, and absorption. Also can increase the feed utilization by 20% to decrease your feed cost, save your feed cost.